I see a lot of guys getting trapped by the darkest side of the female nature. Not because women are evil, but because men believe everything whatever she says, not what she does. And this way, they get manipulated by a girl and used by them. They waste their time, they waste their energy, they waste their money, and even they waste their emotional strength and still not getting any girl. And the worst part is that they lose their frame, they lose their masculinity, and they're getting emotionally drained and never be able to recover from that again because they never understand these things by time, right? And women get used by these nice guys who are getting believe whatever she says. And women don't run emotionally, don't run logically. They run on emotions. And what the man who just act according to the woman nature, they're getting ruined, they're getting destroyed because they don't understand the psychology of the female nature and that subconscious woman doesn't even able to know that whatever she is trying to say, but still she do that, but still she understand those things, but still she say to those things. Whatever she is doing right now, it's not like that. And in this video, I will teach you how to understand the darkest side of the female nature and how to use them as a Uno reverse card so that she can get attracted and addicted to you, and you are not getting used and emotionally trapped in them. So if you made on this video, just click on hit and like subscribe on button, right? And I will come with a no more dating and psychological tips on that. So let's move to the slides. Just a second. Okay. So number one part is hate plus attraction can exist together. A woman, you see a lot of women getting complained by their exes that his ex is her ex is not take care of her. Her ex is roaming around with another girls. He doesn't even call. He doesn't even bother about her. But still, she getting attracted to him because a woman can complain, you get angry on you, and still getting attracted. And that's the darkest side of the female nature, right? She see a lot of his friend that his ex is not take care of his, like his boyfriend is not take care of his. She complains him about all the time. But still, she sleeps with him. She's do sex with him, right? She getting attracted to him because women want chaos in life, they don't want peace, right? And in her mind everything, she is thinking about his boyfriend, she's thinking about his ex because he do all the things opposite to her, right? And because he knows that by making her love in her heart, he wants to do everything she says to him. That's the direct opposite, because emotions are not linear for her, right? If she react strongly, it means you matter him the most, and that's the darker side of the human nature. That's the darker side of the female nature. And most of the guys here are getting stuck by those things, right? They giving her love all the time. They giving I love you messages. They just giving her a gift of roses, a bouquet, because they think that by doing the nice things for her, she will eventually fall in love. But they don't want her. They want to emotionally invest in yourself. They want to continuously thinking about yourself. And negative emotions are much more stronger than the positive ones. So that's why hate plus attraction can exist together, right? So she subconsciously hate those guys, but still love at the same time. So that's the darkest side of attraction for her. Second, she wants peace. She says she wants peace, but ultimately she wants chaos. She will say, I want a caring and stable guy. But when she get him, she felt eventually bored because the guy does all the things. He cares for her. He drop for her. He making her food for her. He gives her lots of gifts and surprises. He always texts good morning and good night at the same time. And she feel like a patron because she thinks that he wants something from her, right? And she says that she want a nice and a peaceful guy, that you are my peace, you are my good thing that ever happened in my life. But when she gets him, she even felt bored. She getting bored again and again because her nervous system is addicted to unpredictability. And when woman's getting the same pattern, and when you tell everything about yourself, that what time you wake up, you tell her about all your schedule, what you are trying to do, what your whole day look like. She feel that she knows everything about her, about you. So she thinks she has 100% you, and when woman thinks that she 100% has you, she fall interest in you, right? So at that time, you have to just be calm but not predictable. You don't have to tell everything about her. You just randomly, you don't have to call her, right? You don't have to text her. She want to feel chaos. You randomly mention some another girl in front of her so that she thinks that she is getting competition from any other girl and she want to chase you more. She don't has 100% you. right? And always try to, like, whatever what most of the guys do, they girls girls do bad for him, and they just pardon him, they just uh forgive her, they just forgive her. But you have to stretch these topic again and again, that last time you have did her, you have to make a fight for her, because that's how you can come in her mind. And if you come in her mind, you eventually fall in love with her, right? She eventually fall in love with you. So that's the darker side of the attraction, right? Investment is equal to attachment. Women's always told you that she want a guy who cares, who emotionally invested in her and give her more effort. But when you do, she getting vanished in your life in the 10 days, right? The more she invests in you emotionally, time and effort wise, the more she convinces herself that she loves you. Not because of you, but because what she did for you. Because when a woman do cooking for you, when a woman buy a gift for you, and one woman and you make a favor from her and she do it for you, so she thinks that she is doing some effort for you, or she's emotionally invested on you, and she thinks that why I'm getting emotionally invested in that particular guy. So she thinks that's the love, that's because I love him, that's why I'm doing for him, right? But because she did for you, this is why chasing kill desire. And if you do opposite for that, like if you do everything what woman is trying to say, you lose respect, you lose attraction, you lose interest in herself, right? And you understand these things, the more she invests in yourself, the more she getting addicted to you. You don't have to attract and chase her. You don't have to do as much effort as she do. If she is doing 10 effort, you have to do 2, right? You don't have to always 50-50%. But most of the guys were do, they're getting 100%. They are doing 100% effort for any single girl. And when she think that I am the price, at where attraction kills, bro? Where attraction kill? Attraction kill when you are 100% effort invested and when you do 0%. So you have to make a little mid in between them to understand her, to make her invested in you, right? And that's why she falls in love with you. Number 4, she will test your strength. And once you approve all these things, you understand all the psychological, she will test your strength. Not because she hates you, but because she need to fail straight with a strong man. She think either you can make decision for herself or not. Either you can make decision for yourself or not. Can this man handle me? If I am just little chaos, if I am just little unemotionally like on a parent cramps and all, will this guy is getting too much addicted for them, or will she stay be calm or do grounded, right? Can this man handle a life? And if you break, she lose respect. She thinks that you're a weak guy and you don't have any guts and you don't have any high masculinity. So that if you stay grounded, she melts. She thinks that you are a stay calm and ungrounded, grounded man. So she will test you time by time, and you don't have to be emotionally thinking about all the things whatever she's trying to say. You don't have to be take interest in her talk. Just take a little interest and pull back. Don't have to ask so many of questions. But when you do that, she thinks that why this guy getting too much interested in her, right? And she's think if she is interested in you, so why? So he don't have need to take any effort. So you have to stay backward, and you don't have to play in front foot, right? So ultimately, she will come through you. And once you understand her emotionally wiring, you stop chasing her and she starts chasing you because she thinks that this man, I need to fix him. Why this man is not getting? Because most of the guys are doing the same things again and again, but you do the opposite. And when the woman find that this pattern is not like other guys, she will eventually want to be in your pattern, right? And if you want the next video on why women don't want nice guy and what a nice guy actually look in her mind, because most of the guys doing the same things again and again for the woman, because out of the niceness he will do that, then drop a comment and saying nice guy and hit like if this opened your eyes, and subscribe, you never missed an ant. See you guys, meet you on the next. Bye.